by TMZ is that Robin Williams committed suicide. It's confirmed by hanging, and that he left no note. And the blog, that's their exclusive, and the blog is further reporting that they got the news from sources that are, quote, familiar with the situation, unquote, but generally to TMZ, that's someone that's pretty close. And that Robin hung himself inside the main house and not his garage. And that law enforcement, which I would assume means the Marin County Sheriffs, will hold a press conference today at 11 p.m. Eastern, which translates to 11 p.m. Pacific time, which translates to 1 o'clock Eastern, to discuss details of the suicide. And that Robin had been, as you notice, struggling with a very deep depression, and he went to alcohol rehab last month. Really sad, really sad, really sad, really sad.